here are some of the bigger decor. I love this sign. This widget sign is really pretty. This is $150. We have this skeleton for $300 and this one for $300 as well. The pumpkin decor is $129. And can you press the button? It does not, it's not hooked up.
I like it.
Lex found a ghosty pillow. Oh, she got a weighted one. So she's gonna show you how big it is. Watch behind you, Lex. How cute is that? Is it heavy?
Yeah.
And how much is that one? 35. So cool. Love it. So Lex has this ghost picture. It's really lightweight. And this is how much?
$12.99.
That is really cute for a party. And they have the little drinkware with it. This is $4.99. Somebody put this there. But look how cute this little Snoopy party platter is.
It is $12.99.
$12.99. They have like these little ghost cups with like ice cream or dips in. $6.99. And then they have the plates, like the Great Pumpkin one. This is cute too. I don't know how much that is. $16.99. And they have this whole stack of cups for $6.99. Vampire popcorn. Oh, this is $5.99. And then Lex found this cool Jack Skellington.
$8.99.
$8.99. And then they have another one too, right?
Yeah.
Which one do you like?
I like this one.
That's cool.
Oops, the strongest one.
This is cute too. I don't know how much it is. Oh, it's $25. So fun. Oh, they have some more tumblers back here. So they have a little ghost, Mickey, more tumblers. Like this pink little ghost one. This is cute. It's $5.99. Look how cute these pillows are. This one is $30. It is so soft. This one is adorable. This is $50. They got the little witches brooms, the cute little dogs. I love this one with the floral, and these little ghosts are so soft. We got the cowboy skeletons. The little haunted house. This is so soft. $30. Hello Kitty is $20. This one is $20 as well. This cute ghost is $16.99. This one's cute. And then we have the cat. The little witches brewing. We have Snoopy as a vampire, and then the pumpkin. And $20 and $30 for the bigger one. I'm really digging this one, but $50, a little steep. And then it looks like they have a pink ghost up there and a purple one. They're so adorable. Oh my goodness, guys. These are the little 2-packs. These are $50. Look at the one holding the bat. These are $35. They're so cute. And look at the vampires. I have never seen these before. These are $60. They have the Skelly. They have the Bride of Frankenstein. Oh my goodness. And look at this Scarecrow pumpkin head. $60. Really love this one. The Dracula. These are so cool. Guys, which one is your favorite? These are so awesome. I am so in love. So we have some of the soaps. These are 10 and under. So they have these cute little sparkly pumpkins for $4.99. These ones are $4.99. They have the little ball ones. Looks like they're all $4.99. This one is a 2-pack. This one's $10. This one's $10 as well. How cute. They have a little gravestone one. These ones are to put your like little spongy things in. These are $6.99. Different ones here. I like this one. I think it's cute. Then they have the cauldron. $6.99. The teddy bear. And then they have some lint rollers. They're cute. These are $6.99 as well. And some of the Jack Skellington collection. They have these coffee mugs. This cookie jar. Salt and pepper shakers. They have the plate with this olive oil and vinegar set. Really cute. I love the little candy dishes up top. This candle is really awesome. It's Martha Stewart candle. And this is $30. They have a lot of different picture frames and candles. This is a flameless candle. Really cute. This one is adorable too. And it's holding a little ghost doggy. Not sure how much that is, but really digging these candles. Check out your pet costumes. We've got little Spider-Man, got Mustard, I hate Mustard, Stitch, ketchup. Got Mickey. Cute. Look at this little pumpkin outfit. A little strawberry. Look at the little chicken. Little cow. This is like a dinosaur pumpkin. Little fairy. These are so cute. These are all like $15 or so. I'm trying to see what this one looks like. I can't really get a picture of it. Wait, here we go. Little dinosaur. Some really cute little costumes for your pets and little toys, little Halloween toys for them to play with too. $14 and under. We have some more Halloween decor. I love the Headless Horseman. This is $35. This cute little mummy candy dish. I love that skull candy dish as well. This little rotten pumpkin. They have little gravestone. This witch is $50. I think the skeleton guy is $150. And then I have the big cemetery headset. Sleepy Hollow sign is $150. This candy dish is $100. The candy dish. I love this metal pumpkin. That's pretty cool looking. This guy is awesome, and he is $160. So pretty cool setup they have. I showed you guys this last time. This chair is $700. They have some ghosties and this little skelly, and I have this skeleton too. Not sure, it's $50 for that one, and the eye glows. And we have some of the bath set dish towels, or bath towels, I'm saying. $12.99. Look how cute this one is, super soft. These are so cute, 100% cotton, and then they have these ones. Look at this little Frankenstein one, $14.99. Smaller ones, this one glows in the dark. And then you have the big bath towel, and I'm not sure how much that is. So cute. I've never seen bath towels. Definitely want to grab some of them. And the little washcloths. And look how cute the little dish dispensers are. I love this one. Super, super cute. This is $15. They're so adorable. Which one is your favorite, guys? Some more over here. We got Jack Skelly. Snoopy. It looks like he's in a pumpkin little jacket with a little ghost. Stitch. Hello Kitty. Again, I love this one with the bubbles. More bath towels and washcloths. So cute. These ones are only $10. I love the ghost one. They're so soft and thick. This pack is $7.99. And they have white ones, pumpkins, sunflowers. But I really want these little ghosty ones. Cannot beat the price. So adorable.